Welcome to my channel. Let's cook together. Steamed white Pomfret tastes the best. Fish meat tastes sweet and delicious. This recipe is so easy as you can even cook during busy working day. Let's start cooking. White Pomfret. Pinch of salt. 1 teaspoon Shaoxing wine. Rub evenly. Put ginger slices on top. Put into steamer pot. Steam for 8 to 10 minutes. Steaming time to adjust based on fish size. Fish is cooked. Remove ginger slices and steamed sauce. 1 tablespoon light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon sugar. Stir well. Drizzle sauce on fish. Put back to steam for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, remove fish from steamer. The fish looks great. Optional to sprinkle fried shallot and fried ginger slices on top. You may also sprinkle spring onion and chilies if you like. Steamed white Pomfret is done. Steamed white Pomfret tastes sweet and fresh. You can also add hot cooking oil to stimulate the aroma. So delicious! Drop me message in below video to share with me how you like your steamed fish to be cooked. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.